Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay April 24, 2023, Monday na naman. At mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita ay isang special feature tungkol po sa Shakey's Pizza at Bank of the Philippine Islands. Yan po ang ating special feature ngayon. At gayon din naman, meron po tayong summary ng ating mga nangyayari during the week. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market in 2007. Araw-araw ko po minabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inibitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stock sa gustong ipa-review, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking po-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 24, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay po, ang ating headlines galing po ng Business World. Banks seen resilient versus emerging risks. Mamaya po tingnan po natin ang mga bangkong ito. BDO, BPI at Metrobank. High oil prices likely to keep inflation elevated. Sa corporate news naman, reforms spending seen to lift construction firms. And then we have companies to invest more in ESG green projects, sabi ng ICCP. Pero ang main news po natin ay special report po, no? Dito po sa week in review sa ating weekly wrap. Sa macro side, economic data releases include consumer sentiment declined by 7.5% on challenges related to inflation, income and job prospects. Sa global naman, US business activity gathered pace in April as reflected by the 11th month high S&P US Composite PMI Output Index of 53.5 in March, suggesting that the US economy remains resilient and supporting market expectations of a 25 basis point rate hike by the Federal Reserve in its May policy meeting. Sa ating bonds naman, domestic interest rates move higher, making or following the release of the March 23 BSP board meeting highlights, which indicated that inflation expectations are still elevated. Sa ating market insights naman, the Philippine Composite Index is up 0.3%. So as far as this April, but still down by 0.7% year to date. Then BDO kicked off the first quarter 23 earnings season with solid results, with net income up 41%. And BPI also reported strong first quarter performance on healthy loan growth and corporate credit card and auto loan segments and wider NIMs or net interest margins. So, yung next part po natin ay tungkol po sa Shakey's Pizza. Meron po siyang reiterate buy si BDO Sec po, no? Strong earnings, momentum to continue, and full year results beat expectations. Brand and store investments spur top line and margin expansion. Reaffirm buy with a higher target price. So, nasa 10.60 na po ang target price niya. Dati po, nasa 9.90. With a closing price of 8.60, there is an implied upside of 23%. Dito naman po sa Bank of the Philippine Islands, meron pong strong start ang BPI with first quarter income climbing 52% in line with expectations. Solid growth in core lending and fee businesses ay tumaas po yung kanilang fees, no? Dito po sa net interest margins at sa kanilang loans and I suppose sa remittances. Healthy PPOP Ito yung pre-provisioning operating profit to expand 30.4%. Digital transformation continues with new mobile app, and there is a keep buy rating with a target price of 125 and with a closing price of 102.80, 21.6% of upside. Okay, so let's now take a look at what happened to the Philippine stock market. Kanina po ay tinitingnan ko po ang most active stocks and I came across EEI Corporation, no? Construction firm po ito. At napakalaki po ng jump niya dito. And it's one of the most active stocks actually. Pero bago po yan, ay tignan po natin muna ang ating index. Ano? Ang index natin ay umakyat. Nasa 70 or 77.94 points up, 65.98.38, almost 66. So recovery po ito, no? Dahil yung short-term indicator ay nasa ilalim na, samantalang nasa taas pa rin ang ating medium and long term. So mukhang may bounce or meron pong bounce ang ating index. May net foreign buying po na 824 million. Samantala, ang market activity naman, 85 ang umabante, 78 ang umatras at 51 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay umakyat ng 0.42%. Lahat po ng sectoral indices, liban lamang sa mining at services ay umakyat. So, ang mining po ay bumaba ng 0.37, slightly down. Services is down 0.54%. Ngunit, ang nanguna po sa pag-akyat ay ang financials sa 3.64%. Kaya tignan po natin ang financials, ano? But let's go back first to let's take a look first at the top gainers. BDO, BPI, ICT, Ali, and let's take a look at Petrobank. Puro mga bangko po ito. And one of the top earners or the most active is EEI. So silipin po muna natin si EEI. Special mention po siya. At kanina ko po, pinagmamasdan ko po ito. Hindi ko po malaman what's causing this. And I just saw this in the news. EEI sees benefits from full foreign ownership in the industry. Yun nga ba ang dahilan? Pero kasi this news came out April 14 pa eh. And this one is something new, no? So, guys, if you know anything, please comment lang, ano? Kasi hindi ko po alam ang nangyayari kay EEI. So, meron po siyang annual report. Wala namang special news dito. But anyway, let's now go back to the stocks that we will be reviewing. That's BDO, BPI, MBT, ICT, at Ali. Yan. Okay, so BDO po muna. BDO had a very good year. Umaakyat po si BDO, 139.50 po ang closing price niya. It went as high as 142.50. And this is a breakout actually dahil 3.33%. Tignan na natin dito kung breakout nga. Hindi. I would say a breakout of sorts. Kasi nga, kung makikita niyo po dito, kung magda-draw po tayo ng parallel channel, ganyan po siya. Pero suddenly, it broke out of that channel eh. Dito po sa banda rito. Dito po sa area to. Kasi dito po nakikita niyo na po na yung channel na po ito ay halos paakyat, ano? And kung makikita niyo po yung black line ay paakyat po siya. And BDO is having a very good year. 2022, it had a very good year, no? So kung makikita niyo po yung highlights kanina, yung first quarter earnings po niya ay up 41% to 16.5 billion to some companies. Yan na yung full year earnings niya, no? But BDO is just first quarter. And this is the largest bank in the Philippines in terms of assets. Okay? Then BPI also reported a strong first quarter performance, but let's concentrate first with BDO. On the technicals, it's very strong, no? 68.94 po yung RSI, and it broke the upper border of the resistance channel. Yan po. No, yung upper border po of 131.52, indicating that this is a breakout of sorts, and it is the highest. It is in its highest level since, tignan natin, since March 2020, when it achieved some 129, yan, to 130 po. 132, yan. Oh no, sorry, it's January 2018, yung highest niya, no? And that was the highest ever since. So, balik po natin dito. Yan po si BTO, and very amazing po ang run po ni BTO. So, kung makikita niyo po, it went as low as 93 pesos dito po sa area to. So, kung you had a few extra pesos, I know Miss JD is a fan of BDO, no? So, ito po, 92.84. Just imagine, nasa 139.50. So, mga 50 pesos po, more or less, ang tinita na po natin kung dito po kayo nakatsyempo. But anyway, BDO is a good stock. It has good management. It has good people. And whether these people will remain there or not, that remains to be seen. But there is in fact talent in BDO. Alam niyo po si Nestor Tan, the president of BDO, I have met him several times already, and he's a very sharp person. Yun po, nakaka-meeting ko po si Mr. Tan in many occasions that I had been with the bank, and he's a very good and very sharp person. Kahit na magkaedad lang po kami, 1958 po siya pinanganak eh. Si Chinismis pa, no? Anyway, he's still there, and he's very active and very sharp mind. Pero syempre, si BDO is also already preparing for the change in management, no? Kasi Nestor Tan is not getting any younger. Yan po. So, meron na po silang plano on succession. Anyway, that's one good news about BDO. Okay, next we have BPI naman. Si BPI, may good run din po ito. Yan, breakout po si BPI. Ito, clear breakout po siya. Kasi, kung parallel channel po ang pag-uusapan natin, pababa eh. Pababa si BPI. But somewhere here, na-break po yung channel na yan. Kasi from here, January 17 up to April 23, resistance po niya nasa 103.86, and suddenly it shot. The price went up, no, 6.52%, and clearly this is a breakout. So therefore, masasabi po natin na ito pa lang may pangitain na of a breakout here, but there was no volume here. But here now there is volume, no? RSI mataas, 63.76, although it is not yet overbought. By the way, I'd like to greet my classmates in batch 76. We had a reunion last Saturday, and I met my classmates there at Victoria Place. Yeah. Okay. And then, ito po, no, yung resistance niya, well, actually, ito yung pinaka-support niya ngayon. And then, the next higher resistance, nandito po sa 112. Dito ko po nakikita. Yan, 112.56. Support and resistance, di po yung exact points, areas po siya. After BPI, another bank, Metro Bank, NBT, breakout kaya o dito. Uy, breakout nga. Meron siyang volume and meron siyang increase. So, nasa 60 pesos na po si Metro Bank. And let's check if there is a target price for Metro Bank. Meron nga ba? So, tingnan natin yung target price ni Metro Bank. Metro Bank has a buy rating with a target price of 58.40. Oh, sorry, a 77 pesos target price. or a 31.8% upside. Samantalang si BPI, meron siyang buy rating with a target price of 125 or a 24% upside. So yan po sila. So this is a breakout, and clearly the former support was here in this level here. Resistance po na naging support. And the next resistance is here. Ito po, 61 to 62 pesos po ang pinaka-resistance po niya. Earnings-wise, it's earning. And there was a huge increase in their earnings. Okay, then finally, meron pa pala, ICT muna. ICT, may dalawa pa pala tayo, sorry po. Yan, paakyat po. Si ICT, may mga dips po siya dito, and I think diyan po yung mga opportunities to buy the stock, ano? So, pinaka-support po natin nasa 196 to 197. And right now, it is at the resistance area. Nasa 218 po ang resistance, nasa 270 na po, but this is already resistance area. At patuloy pong umakyat si International Container Terminal with a fundamental price of 258 or a 22.9% upside. So support is at 196, resistance at 218.52. Then finally, si Ali. Si Ali, pagka tumataas ang interest rates, magandang bumili. Nagdi-dip siya. Ayan, no? Didip po si Ali. Pero meron po siyang slight increase today. So, nasa 21615. Actually, support area po ito. At maganda pong bumili at this level. Dahil interest rates are starting to taper off. And it will move sideways till the fourth quarter where interest rates will slowly go down na. Yan po yung projection ng ating mga ekonomista. The BSP. Yan. So, yung earnings report niya, meron po siyang 43.84%. Fundamentals are solid for Ali. So, kung titingnan po natin, si Ayala Land, meron siyang buy rating with a target price of 38 pesos or a 45.3% upside. It's one of the higher upsides, no? Pero tingnan natin yung highest upside. Mega-wide construction is 98% ang upside niya. And 86% naman si Robinson's Land. Ito po yung based on the latest earnings report po niya. Si Metro Pacific naman, 50.1% upside. So, Mega-wide is number 1 based dito sa study ni BDOSEC. Vistaland is also malaki, no? 71.4% upside. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-24 ng Abril. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.